Meet SIIG's 2-port DVI dual-link smart console KVM switch. Part number CE-DV0111-S1. Control up to 2 computers with 1 keyboard and mouse. This product provides, on the front panel, 2 push buttons and 2 USB 3.0. On the back panel, a console USB port for keyboard and mouse, 2 DVI in to connect to PC, a console video DVI out, a power jack, a power LED, a micro USB for firmware updates, 2 USB 3.0, a stereo in and out, a KVM USB 3.0 to connect to PC, a KVM stereo audio in and out to PC, and a 2-pin dip switch. Easily switch between the devices by pressing the front panel buttons on the box or using the keyboard hotkeys. Press scroll lock twice, the source number, and then enter. You can also auto scan for quick browsing and system monitoring. Press scroll lock twice, S, to auto scan on and off. Get continuous servicing for firmware upgrades to extend the product life and keep performing at its best, also backed by our 3-year warranty. Make your life easier so you can work from one desk by switching between 2 computers. Improve your productivity by running different applications on different computers simultaneously. Our KVM switches will help you save space that can be taken up by multiple keyboards and monitors, help you save on equipment costs, lower electricity usage, and produce less heat. We also have a 4-port version, part number CE-DV0111-S1. See our website for more listing details. Thank you for watching.